I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I got another video for you guys, and basically today I heard you guys didn't like the how-to videos and stuff like that. To be honest, I'm just trying to keep this daily grind going. These daily videos of how-tos is definitely not me, and I want to, try something new. So you guys know that I'm on the lookout for a 335 or an M3. So basically, I reached out to a couple of people around my area that have 335s, M3s, F30s, stuff like that, and I want to test drive their cars because mostly when I go to the dealership, they're just super annoying. I don't like going to the dealerships. And at the same time, you guys have like modified cars. So I reached out to a few of you guys. I'm gonna meet up with 2 of them today, a couple of them tomorrow, and I'm gonna be going down to Sonoma on Sunday. So it's gonna be some nice stuff on Sunday. But basically, I want to start this new series, trying out your guys' cars. So if you guys are local, make sure to DM me on my Instagram and see if your car is the exact spec that I want to get. And if your car is the one I want to get, I'm gonna end up giving like a $100 gift card. I don't know when I'm gonna get my car, but I end up giving like a gift card to the #1 car that was my favorite that I end up getting. Alright guys, so I'm here with Mike. So he went ahead and brought his 335i that's like M Sport package. It's honestly one of my favorite packages on the coupe, but this is like the LCI, so it's the N55 model. Very beautiful, got carbon fiber spoiler. The diffuser is regular, right?
Yeah.
Regular diffuser, which you should probably get carbon.
I'm thinking about it. Yeah.
Thinking about it, but it's like $400, right?
Yeah,
so it's a little bit expensive, but as you guys can see, it's very, very, very clean. And if I was gonna get a 335, it probably would be in this exact thing. It's like Alpine white.
Yeah.
Alpine white with the red interior, and the trim and everything is just beautiful. It doesn't have the wooden trim. It has like this kind of like this carbon fiber kind of style, but it's like BMW. I don't know what it is. You know the exact name of it?
Nah, I don't. It's not brushed aluminum, but I don't know.
So yeah, it's not exactly brushed aluminum, but it's kind of like if you guys know what 335 IS, their trim, they have like this distinct trim. It's kind of like this, but it doesn't actually say 335 IS on it. Same thing, because I'm assuming because this is like the M package, so it has nice stuff. So as you guys can see, it's red interior, it's an automatic, which I'm 100% fine with, honestly. I mean, the BMWs, you probably even control them a whole lot better if it's an automatic. Probably go faster, right? Shift's definitely fast. Oh, we'll get to that. All right, yeah, so he's got also a couple things on this bad boy. So yeah, pretty much my favorite interior, sports seats. If this was a package, I mean, this is probably the exact package I would get for a coupe. So, I'm gonna let Mike take over now and explain to you guys what he's done to this car.
All right, my name is Mike. I got this car I've had it for about 2 years. Maybe about a year ago, I started looking at tunes and everything, and I went with JB4, but it was cool for a while, and then it started giving me problems, so I ditched that. And the next thing I got was a intake, and then I went with the charge pipe. Then I got a tablet and went with MHD. I started off with stage 1, but it was cool for a little bit. But yeah, to get into stage 2 or the E30 maps, I needed a downpipe and a front mount intercooler. Yeah, so after I went stage 2 plus, I went with the ARM front mount intercooler. That's a 5-inch stepped. And then I went with a VRSF downpipe. It sounds really nice, straight pipe. I got a muffler delete, and then I got resonators installed to cancel out some of the drone. And right now It's probably making about 370 horsepower, and yeah, it's pretty nice.
So yeah guys, that was Mike. This is his car. I'm honestly super excited. He's gonna, I don't know, he gonna let me drive it or not? Yeah. He's gonna let me drive it, because mostly it's an automatic, so it's not really, I can't really too bad. So I'm really excited to drive this guy. As you guys know, I've driven his friends actually. The guy that won the giveaway, that other 335 video I made, it was actually his friends. You know, they have some crazy cars. So I'm really excited to drive this bad boy. And I'm just gonna go ahead and park my car at that hospital way over there, because I'm not trying to get a ticket, you know? I don't got the kind of money. All right guys, so right now I'm in Mike's car, and you know, right now it feels like the exact same car. This is another reason why I don't want to get a 335 also, because like it looks, okay, so this interior is amazing. But I mean, you know, overall it kind of feels like mine interior wise. The steering wheel, I kind of copied it, the interior kind of copied it, you know, I went kind of crazy on my car. Yeah, so he's got a police detector, so I'm hoping I don't get pulled over today, but I'm gonna kind of push it. I know your friend's, what's your friend's name?
Estuardo.
So I'm gonna be meeting him later today again. His shifts were insane with his paddle shift. Oh God. Oh my Lord. See, that's something I need in my life, those pops though. You're already used to them, aren't you?
Yeah, it gets loud. I need to slow down and not do it, man. It's like, it attracts a lot of attention.
Nah, oh, is that a turbo sound? Oh my Lord. All right guys, we're going for it. Those are turbo sounds, right?
Yeah, it's the diverter valve.
Isn't there something to amplify just a little bit more?
The intake kind of helps with it.
Yeah.
But yeah, other than that, that's about it. Yeah.
Oh my Lord. What the hell?
We'll get some other shots like stopped, because it'll do a stop too.
Yeah, I'll get some shots for you guys when he's actually gonna be doing some drive-bys. Oh my God. Guys, if I have a 335, endless content. I'll probably get thousands of tickets. I need this police thing I can't do.
Yeah, it works pretty well.
Oh my God. That's gnarly. What is your miles per gallon on this thing?
It's like 20 right now.
There's no way you get 20. Hello. We just saw a cop right there. Like we're completely innocent people.
I don't know, like it says it right there.
Dude, that doesn't. Just show them this real quick. You guys, I want you to look at this. I know my channel, y'all drive 328s and 330Is. There's no way. Maybe because of N55 question mark? I don't know, but that's absolutely ridiculous, honestly. Because for me, you guys know I get like 13, 14. I mean, I drive kind of crazy, but you have tunes on this thing.
Flash license, just to like buy the map and flash it yourself.
Yeah.
And then the map packs are 50 bucks. So it's like $250 for the tune, and then the burble is an option on the tune. All right, so yeah, if you want to get MHD, you're gonna need, or if you have an Android, that'll work already. But you need to download the for your car. It could be N55 or N54, and then you gotta go through Google Play and you gotta purchase the flash license, and then you gotta get the whatever map pack you want to get, and that'll be 50 bucks. So 200 for the license, then 50 bucks for the pack. And then you should be set.
That's it?
Yeah.
To do that?
Yeah.
So if I go get a 335 tomorrow, I can do it for 250.
Yeah. I mean, you probably don't want to get it as aggressive as mine, because you don't want to mess up your cats, you know?
I'm sorry, it's just so much fun.
No, I get it, bro.
You guys, this is crazy. I literally feel like this could be my car, guys. Red interior, you know, beautiful. This is 2011.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I was ever gonna get, to be honest, guys, I'm not gonna get an N54 probably. If anything, N55. I'm just gonna be real with you guys. Like, all my friends that have N54s have just been eating bologna. I mean, I'm not trying to deal with that right now. And at the same time, dude, that's so nuts. Yes, it doesn't even get old. Like, honestly, you don't even need music to be I mean, honestly, I'm gonna make this guy not want a Mercedes.
Wait, where is he?
Bro, get off that car, bro.
That's D350.
Oh, shit. Okay.
Oh, that's the I8 right there.
I'll be flexing so... Oh, dude, that one's being sold for $78,000.
That one right there?
That one right there. I actually went to go talk to him about it. Because, like, you guys know the i8s are typically around, like, 150,000.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, this one is 78,000. The reasoning for it being 78,000 is because it's 4 years old. It's a 2014. I'm like, who cares? It all looks the same. He's looking, bro. He's like. I was so weird. The guy in the Mercedes, and I was pretty much downshifting just because he's trying to buy a Mercedes. So I'm just over here like, you don't need that. You know, you can get a 335, bro. You guys, I don't even care if I get a ticket right now. I'll be more than happy to grab this ticket right now. I'll be like, oh, modified exhaust, don't worry about it. All right, now I have to get back to mine, guys. No turbo, no pops. Oh shit, I shouldn't have went over that. Oh, my bad. How low is your car, by the way?
Stock.
Good.
Shawty hit my line and she's tryna get up on me. I tell her la habibti, that's too hot on wallahi. Where they are, I was raised with Somalis. Everyone got a friend named Abdi. I'm from OT 613.